Hi, this is Stars I Trust from Fly By Night. Dear tiny dots of twinkling light, it's time for me to say goodnight. There's so much madness in this world, I feel safe 'cause I'm aware you are there. I trust stars high in the skies. I trust stars, ancient and wise. I'm made from your dust. Stars I trust. Good night, you South Dakota stars, between the moon, the earth, and Mars. Look, there's a lion and Orion, snake and dragon. Could there be stars that made me? I trust stars are never gone. I trust stars and they live on. I'm made from your dust. Stars I trust. And sure, some folks will say that all of this is hay, that it's some smoky-eyed romantic notion, so I'll feel okay. But they cannot deny, when they look up at the sky, it's a fact, we're all connected, from the grass up to the sky. I have my memories to do with as I please. I know I always can recall that starry, perfect night and fall, when you stood underneath that tree and promised you'd always be with me. I trust you're here with me.